We are in Pakistan, traveling towards the Afghan border to the world's most notorious gun market region.
So we're on our way to Peshawar and we're about to head to a place called Smuggler's Market. We hired a guide and let's see what we can find there.
What am I looking at here?
Wow.
Hey guys, real quick, just wanted to announce that my latest book, My Life as a Mexican Pirate, a true story, is coming to Audible. It details my crew and I adventures traveling to some of the most dangerous places on the planet. It got to #1 on Amazon for adventure travel, and the reviews speak for themselves, and the prequel is just as wild. So if you're ready for adventure, check out the links below. Now back to the video.
The people of Pakistan have built a new nation in an old land.
Pakistan has strongly denied his country's sheltered Osama bin Laden.
Many people must make a living with their bare hands.
Northwest Territories, this very difficult terrain, very entrenched. Within it has some of the extremist elements.
So we're on our way to Peshawar, which is the most conservative city in all of Pakistan. It's predominantly dominated by the Pashtun tribe, which is also popular in southern Afghanistan, and we are going to a place colloquially known as Smuggler's Market. Now we've heard that it's very difficult for foreigners to access certain parts of it, but we're going to try and see how far we get.
Yeah, we're looking to import as many drugs, guns, heroin, or everything we can around all of Pakistan.
Our guide brought us to the outskirts of the city, to a place where they manufacture the guns by hand.
This is one of the owners of the factory. Say hello.
Yeah.
And he was kind enough to let us shoot some of his products. Thank you. Shukriya dost.
There are an estimated 44 million firearms owned by the public in Pakistan. For many Pashtuns, it's become part of their culture.
You can see them in the factory here making all the different pieces.
Here in the Khyber region, gunsmithing is a tradition that is said to have begun in the mid-1800s.
We are all tin making on hand.
Many trace its roots back to 1857, when a British soldier who defected set up a small gun-making factory there.
Since a grandfather.
Father.
3 generations.
Yeah.
American copy.
This American copy, this one.
American copy.
They make about 30 of these guns a month. They really put a lot of care and effort into each gun because there's about 30 people working here. If you think about it, that's 1 gun per person per month. I mean, if you look at it, the quality is fantastic. The hand grips, the metal work. You wouldn't know that this was made in Pakistan. You would think you bought this from a store in the United States. Absolutely great craftsmanship. Great job.
Oh, what?
What? Each handgun here is around 20,000 rupees, which is about the equivalent of $100. So they buy all the raw materials from this factory here, and then they assemble them in the other place. It's a serious piece of machinery. This is like the molds. Ah, the plastic molds. They use these machines to make these plastic molds. Amazing.
These men work to survive in already tough conditions. But government pressure in recent years has led to a decline in production. And recently, their trade has faced some unlikely competition.
Afghans are thronging to Kabul's airport. The Taliban don't just control Kabul, but the whole country. And all the weapons.
The US left behind stacks of military equipment, countless videos of the Taliban seizing huge caches of weapons. The Pentagon says it does not know how much equipment could now be in the Taliban's hands.
Many of these more advanced weapons are now openly for sale in the tribal areas by the border, at thriving illegal weapons markets, emboldening the Pakistani Taliban and causing a headache for the Pakistani government and the men who've passed on this skill through generations.
Yeah, they make custom guns as well. This is a Turkish one.
I think
Very, very cool. Now that's a magazine. Crazy amount of bullets in there. It's like a laser pointer. It's cool, isn't it? So a lot of these guns, they say like from Turkey and Austria, but you couldn't tell these from the real thing. The craftsmanship is amazing. Right, so this is made, hand factory made. Let's check this out, right? Cut down.
But despite their shared Pashtun heritage, most people here make their dislike of the Taliban known.
Oh, you got the big ones.
Yes.
As the group has been responsible for several terrorist attacks in the region.
This one is gorgeous. Nice.
Welcome to Pakistan.
This is probably the most conservative society I've ever encountered. During my time here, I've never seen a woman's face. Only the men work, and you rarely see women at all. Nonetheless, these are honestly some of the friendliest and most hospitable people I've met in visiting 120 countries. So, I'm here with the owner of the gun factory, and he was kind enough to drive us back to Islamabad so we can catch our flight to Karachi. The 5-hour return journey was a testament to their generosity. For more on Pakistan, check out the video where I visit the highest border in the world. And in another video, I catch a glimpse at the secret underground nightlife of Lahore. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures. Until my next video, cheers.